Hello, fellow steamer. St. Paul Steaming Machine here. I got a new engine in the shop today. This is from a customer that wants me to look at it. I have not seen it yet. First time seeing it is right here with you folks. Let's see what we got here. Okay. That there. Let's see what we got. I can tell you that don't work. I don't know anything about this much, except for you said it was stiff. Let's take a little closer look at it. All right, well. That's a pretty simple one. Everything's loose. It does have a tight spot in it. Right there. Okay. Well, we're going to start checking it out. Like I say, obviously, that doesn't do anything. Pretty simple engine. Looks fairly homemade to me. We'll tighten things up and maybe loosen some things up. I don't know. Like some stuff got in there. Let's get that out of there. All right. We'll see what we have here. And I'll make another video and let you know. Thanks for looking. Bye now.